Let's go to Washington, D.C. with Edward Lawrence with the official decision.
Well, the Federal Reserve leaves rates unchanged. There were two dissenters in this. Stephen Myron, Board of Governor, as well as Board of Governor Christopher Waller, both dissented in this. Myron has dissented at every meeting that he has attended. His term ends on Saturday. Now, Governor Waller, he is still in the running as one of the last four finalists for the Federal Reserve chairman. In the statement, the Federal Reserve says that economic activity has expanded at a solid pace, changing the word from moderate pace. The Fed also changes the language around jobs, saying that job gains have remained low, with unemployment rate showing signs of stabilization. The Fed keeps the language about inflation being somewhat elevated. The committee says that uncertainty around economic outlook remains elevated as they weigh both sides of their mandate on this, removing the from the statement, saying that downside risk to employment was rising. That was taken out of the statement. There are signals in this statement that the focus of the Fed is shifting from jobs back to inflation. And we're also receiving the Federal Reserve reaffirmation of its long-run goals and policy strategy. That keeps the target for inflation at an average of 2% in the long run. So now what we're waiting to see is what the Federal Reserve chairman will say in 30 minutes. He will also get questions, probably right out of the gate, about the criminal court subpoenas. We'll see if he sticks to that video message or if he doubles down on what that video message said, which could possibly spook some of the bond markets. But again, a pause with those two dissenters, Stephen Myron and Christopher Waller. Back to you.
Wow, that's major news. Thank you so much, Edward. Appreciate it.